My name's Mike Grimasauskas. I'm a principal at Dark Horse, and I've been here since about January to February of 2025. I started a little bit early just to help out, and then came on full-time in May of 2025. So I've been in the public accounting industry probably about 15 to 17 years in public accounting. I worked in other industries as well, private sector, but mostly focused in public accounting for a majority of my career. So when you're working with me, one of the things that I bring to the table is my communication, my style of communication. I'm very open. I enjoy having multiple conversations with clients and making sure that they're clear and educating them, as well as making sure they're aware of their tax situation front to back and advising them. That's probably one of the strongest things I bring to the table in terms of advisory, as well as the communication style.